Hi everybody, welcome back to DayZ, and this video is to show you a custom object spawner JSON file that I've uploaded to my GitHub that you can use if you want to add a weapons showcase area or like a weapons gun convention to your server. Now I probably wouldn't recommend that you install this permanently on your server because it will really mess with the loot economy. There are so many items here, but I created this as a tutorial tool so I can make videos about all the guns in DayZ, and this does include all of the vanilla guns as of 1.18. and what I'll try to do is upload an updated version of this when new updates come out with new guns. The way it works is the guns are roughly separate into sections, and then on the table you'll find the gun, boxed ammo, loose ammo. Normally if it'll take a silencer, the type of the magazine it's got, and the scopes it's got. And then the items are to tell you where the thing spawns. So for example, the handcuffs, they mean the scout spawns on the prison at Chernarus. The police jacket means it spawns in police locations. The apple means that it spawns in villages, the cereal means it spawns in towns, and the binocular means it spawns in hunting areas. Now don't worry about trying to remember this is all in the readme that you can use. There are a couple of errors. I think there's a couple of magazines that are floating in midair. So in the GitHub, not only will you get the JSON that gives you this, but also I'll include the .dze file so that you can customize and edit this area as you wish. There's this kind of inner area as well, that's the main area. Then outside there's this kind of picnic area. There's some trash bins, and you know me, I always like to put toilets in. Then we've got some flags up there. So let me show you where it is on the map. So it's here up by Svetlojarsk on the docks right there, and I'll put a link to my GitHub repository in the description below this video, and here it is. So in the repository there's the Chernarus Weapons Showcase.json, so that's the file that you can use to create this on your server. There is the gunshow.dze, so that's the customizable file that you can use. Load it into DayZ editor, and then you can change it and then re-export it. You've also got various PNGs which are screenshots of the area and the location, and then the readme. Now the readme includes specific instructions on how to install this. So if you're not quite sure how you're meant to install custom JSONs to spawning custom areas on your map, the readme shows you exactly how to do it, in kind of a nice simple step-by-step process. So if you're not sure, then go with it that way. But you may well find these useful, but again, I'll say it again, I wouldn't make this a permanent feature on your server unless you really do some work on the your loot economy, because for example it spawns in so many helmets and magazines and bullets and obviously all the weapons that it's going to severely alter the loot economy. With all the weapons on a vanilla server would end up just being here anyway, and they wouldn't be anywhere else. So there we go. Hope you find it useful. If you do, hit the like button. If you want to see more of the same, press subscribe, and I will of course see you again soon.